Tara, early dinner tayo. This time in Malate, Manila. So, let's go. Sila niya. Welcome to Malate or Ermita, Manila. So, ito yung isa sa pinaka-favorite naming restaurant. It's called Walk-In and they serve Chinese food. They're very old school. So, talagang wala silang menu. They just lay everything out and then you order there. And then, look at the flooring. So classic. My husband has been going to this restaurant since he was a kid. May branch sila dati sa Pasig, but it has already closed. So we've been going to the Malate, Manila branch. So if you're ever in the Malate area or the Ermita area, it is highly recommended that you go here. May parking sa harap, meron ding sa side, and there's also a church nearby. So hindi naman mahirap maghanap ng parking. Ito yung pinunta talaga namin dito. It's called sipa. It's a type of fried dumpling filled with meat and vegetables. So, every time we have a craving for sipa, pumupunta talaga kami sa walk-in. Sarap ng food! Favorite pa rin siya talaga ni Romeo. And same pa rin yung lasa ng food. How was your walk-in experience?
It was good, as usual.
Same pa rin. Consistent since bata ka? Or
Sipa. And the squid. Ganun pa rin nila.
ganun pa rin yung lasa? Same recipe?
Ano yun? Makangkong. Hindi yun pala kangkong.
Parang hindi siya kangkong eh.
Kolo.
Tapos hindi ko nakita. We ordered 1, 2, 3. Tatlo yung ulam plus 1 kanin.
Squid yung mahal. 350.
Oh, 350.
The rest is 190. The sipa was 190.
190 yung order ng sipa. Parang lumaki yung ano
Yung
nila,
kikiam was-
meatball nila.
190.
Yeah.
The rice
Sakto
was
lang
just
yung kikiam.
150.
Tapos hindi pala sila nagtatanong kung for ilan, no? Parang ina-assume na
Sinukat
lang
na
nila.
lang.
Sinukat na lang nila for 2. Ayun, we're headed to Admiral. Pero, check natin kung may parking kasi pa-sunset na rin. Try natin. Puntahan natin. Bisitahin natin sila sa North.
Na Monday. Since nasa ano tayo. Ang
Uwi
isip.
pa tayo.
Oo nga ba? Kababalik.
Unless ano. Hindi, Skyway tayo na Clark eh.
No Monday.
Yung reclamation.
Pero I don't think they'll cover this one. Kasi ito yung labasan ng ano eh. Paano lalabas ng mga boats na to?
Hindi pa nakimayan yung isa?
Bird to masasara naman.
Yung yacht club?
Opo.
Of course not.
Kaya pag nakato, nakakarang yung traffic doon sa may U-turn lane. Nagdito na dito. Pero sa kabila.
Uy, bumalik na siya.
Sabi niya sabay na lang daw tayo. Parang ako, Hindi ko pa nakita kung meron si David. Nakita ko lang sa Instagram.
Gagawin ba? Gagawin. Pwede ginawa ba rin eh.
parang okay naman yung pricing nila. Hotel pricing.
Oh,
Pero
500.
even yung cocktails nila parang normal bar pricing. Their food is also, masarap naman yung fries. Okay naman. Yung mga tito dun na sa tabi natin,
Nag-aabang na.
nag-aabang lang silang sunset. Pero yeah, maganda siya. I think highly recommended na
Okay naman daw yung
date
rooms.
place sa Admiral.